Hello, my name is Brad Nielsen. I am a senior specialist at Onebridge. I specialize in data engineering and data science. So Fivetran is a partner of Onebridge. They are a data integration as a service company. At the core, what they're doing is taking data from point A and moving it to point B. Now that seems simple enough. There's actually a lot of nuance to it. So the main selling point of Fivetran is simplicity. Many companies do not have the means to afford a very large data engineering department. What Fivetran gives you is access to these technologies and skills that would otherwise be unavailable. A large problem that many companies have is their data is stored in silos. Data is stored in system A, data is stored in system B. What Fivetran does is allows you to take data out of those systems and store them in a centralized data warehouse for easier analysis. The main problem that people run into when doing these data integration tasks is the sheer number of connections and destinations that the data can take. Development of connectors is often a very difficult task. Take, for example, NetSuite. In order to connect to NetSuite, you need to configure authentication, and then you need to establish a connection. Once you've established a connection, there are hundreds to thousands of objects that need to be pulled in. Now that is a lot of work for a given engineer. To develop a connector like that could take 2 to 4 weeks worth of effort. Fivetran has already developed over 150 connectors and over a dozen data sources. They build these connections for you. They go to the trouble of figuring out how to connect to a service such as NetSuite, and they figure out, the authentication, and they figure out the data normalization, and then they stream that data into a data warehouse.